Useful collocations for daily English.
Welcome back to Up, Up, Up. Level up your English. Today we're learning something that can instantly make your English more natural. Collocations. These are word combinations that native speakers use automatically, and when you use them, you sound fluent, confident, and natural. Let's get started.
What are collocations?
A collocation means two or more words that naturally go together. Native speakers don't memorize them, they just feel right.
For example, we don't say strong rain. We say heavy rain. We don't say make a photo. We say take a photo.
Collocations make your English sound real, not textbook-like. If you use the wrong combination, people will understand you, but it sounds strange. So learning collocations is one of the fastest ways to level up.
Top 30 useful collocations. 1. Daily actions. 1. Make the bed, meaning, arrange your blanket and pillows after waking up. Example, I make the bed every morning. 2. Do the dishes, meaning, wash the plates, cups, and cooking tools after eating. Example, can you do the dishes tonight? 3. Take a shower, meaning, wash your body using water from a shower. Example, I take a shower before work. 4. Catch a cold, meaning, become sick with a cold, sneezing, coughing. Example, wear a jacket or you'll catch a cold. 5. Save time, meaning, do something faster so you don't waste time. Example, online shopping saves time. 2. Work and study. 6. Meet a deadline, meaning, finish your work before the due date. Example, we must meet the deadline on Friday. 7. Make progress, meaning, improve or move forward in learning or work. Example, she's making progress in English. 8. Do research, meaning, study information deeply to learn or prepare something. I need to do research for my project. 9. Take notes, meaning, write down important information while listening or reading. Example, students should take notes in class. 10. Do a presentation, meaning, speak to a group and show information, often with slides. He will do a presentation tomorrow. 3. Emotions and reactions. 11. Catch someone's attention, meaning, make someone notice you or something. Example, bright colors catch people's attention. 12. Break the news, meaning, tell someone important news, usually serious or unexpected. Example, he broke the news to his family gently. 13. Make an impression, meaning, create a strong feeling about you, good or bad, when people first meet you. Example, she made a great first impression. 14. Lose temper, meaning, become very angry suddenly. Example, he lost his temper during the meeting. 15. Keep calm, meaning, stay relaxed and not get upset. Example, try to keep calm in stressful situations. 4. Travel and transport. 16. Miss the bus, meaning, arrive too late and the bus has already left. Example, hurry or you'll miss the bus. 17. Catch a flight, meaning, be in time to board your airplane. Example, we need to leave early to catch the flight. 18. Hit traffic, meaning, meet heavy traffic on the road, making travel slow. Example, we hit heavy traffic on the way home. 19. Book a hotel, meaning, reserve a room in advance. Example, did you book a hotel for the trip? 20. Pack a bag, meaning, put clothes and things into a suitcase or bag for a trip. Example, I need to pack my bags tonight. 5. Communication. 21. Make a phone call, meaning, call someone using a phone. Example, I need to make a phone call. 22. Send a message, meaning, write and deliver a text or email to someone. Example, can you send me a message later? 23. Raise a question, meaning, ask a question, especially in a group or meeting. Example, he raised a question during the meeting. 24. Give advice, meaning, tell someone what you think they should do. Example, my teacher gave me great advice. 25. Have a conversation, meaning, talk with someone for a period of time. Example, we had a long conversation. 6. Money and shopping. 26. Spend money, meaning, use money to buy something. Example, don't spend too much money. 27. Save money, meaning, keep money instead of spending it. Example, I'm trying to save money this month. 28. Make a payment, meaning, pay money for something. Example, you can make a payment online. 29. Go shopping, meaning, visit shops to buy things. Example, she loves to go shopping on weekends. 30. Take a loan, meaning, borrow money from a bank or person, usually to repay later. Example, they took a loan to buy a house.
Why learn collocations? Learning collocations helps you speak faster, sound natural, avoid mistakes, understand native speakers better, and boost your vocabulary quickly. You don't need to memorize grammar for these, just learn them as word pairs. Here are easy ways to practice collocations. Learn 5 per day. Write your own sentences. Listen to movies and copy how natives speak. Use collocation dictionaries like Oxford. Make flashcards. The more you use them, the more natural they feel. Thanks for watching Up Up Up, Level Up Your English.
If you want more quick lessons like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite collocation below. See you in the next video.